Welcome back to another video, and today we got a practice for you, and we're gonna be practicing by going to Twisted Canyon. Okay, so we're gonna be going over the stuff that we learned about, or what we learned in CodeCombat, and the different functions that we learned in the game. So we had to collect all the gold. Well, technically collect all the gold if you can. Okay, so let's see. You can tell that this is a lot of stuff right here. Okay, so first of all, if you literally type in, let's start off with wild true function, because that's gonna be the simplest thing that you could do actually in this game. So you don't actually have to type in the whole function or a whole bunch of line of code. So while we do this, we're gonna put like hero dot move right. We're gonna put like hero dot move right. So he can move right. Then he goes over there to the door. He's gonna attack it. So we gotta put hero dot move, and no, hero dot attack, right? And then we put in the parentheses, quotations, and we put in wicked. So he attacks the door. Okay, you gotta close that off. So he attacks the door, and you do it one more time, so he can actually fully attack it, right? Wicked. And then you want to put quotations. So he's attacking the door, so you want him to move up, right? So you want him to move up after that, right? So you put in hero dot move up, right? Close it off. Actually, you want to put in, if you defeat that, right, you want him to move up like 2. So we're gonna put 2 in there, and then we're gonna close that off, right? Make him move down. And then we're gonna make him move down twice because we made him move up twice. Then you want to put in hero dot move right, and then we're gonna put in parentheses. If he's down where the door is right here, then you want to make him move 1, 2, 3. Make him move 3 times. Okay. So as you do that, we'll make him move 3 times, and close that off, right? And then when you do that, you gotta put in like the enemy function. You gotta put in the enemy, because the enemy's gonna jump out. So we gotta put in a variable, because when you put in a variable, you won't have to actually type in too much actual line of code. So we're gonna put hero dot find nearest enemy. So then we would put in right here hero dot attack nearest enemy, okay, or enemy. Then he's gonna attack an enemy, right? Hero dot attack or attack enemy, and then parenthesis enemy. This probably is a lot of line of codes, honestly. So we're gonna put enemy. Close that off, right? Now let's run it. Let's see what happens, okay? So he does attack the door, but he ends. Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't look like that worked out. Okay, so he moves right. He does attack the door, but he isn't moving left. Oh, I didn't put left in here. Okay, that makes sense. So we gotta put under this. I think he goes now. Hero dot move left. Okay, hero dot move left. All right. Now we're gonna try. We're just gonna get the coins that help us beat this code or beat this level. Okay, so you're gonna make him move left 3 times. Oh, actually, he just make him move left 3 times. That's it. So we're just gonna take that line of code out, and then we're just gonna run it. No, we gotta run it again. Skip it. We gotta run it. All right, so he's running and he stops right there because he doesn't have an up function. So we gotta click right here. You see how we finished it, but I want to actually make him move up. So we're gonna make him move up, and then we're just gonna close that off. We're gonna put 2 and then close it off. We're gonna run it one more time, and we're gonna see what happens. So he attacks the door, he runs up, and then he goes up once. He fights the bad guy, right? Actually, did he just do that by himself? I do not know, but that is literally what you have to do. Actually, he's still moving, so I don't understand. Okay, so we're not gonna make him. Let's not make him attack. Okay, so we're gonna just put in that. We're gonna put hero.move up. Then we're gonna put hero.move down. Right, we're gonna have him move down 3 times, and then after that we're gonna put him hero.move right, and then we're gonna have him move right 3 times. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can do it without attacking bad guys. Okay, so it moves down and he does not move. Hero.move left. I keep forgetting the left function. So hero.move left 3 times, and then we're gonna just put right here move up, and we're gonna put, so if he gets right here, he's gonna go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. He's gonna move us 7. Okay, so we'll put 7 right here. So we're gonna run it one more time, and we're gonna see what happens. So he grabs his stuff, he goes, okay, and then he's gonna run up, and he's gonna run to the right. He got nobody to fight, so he's gonna move up, he's gonna move down. But honestly, you could just keep typing a whole bunch of lines of codes, but that's how you get the actual coin. Now we just gotta make him actually run to the X. So we're gonna make him move right. So after this, you technically just make him move right 6 times. I'm gonna put 6 times and see what happens. So after he finished this, you make him run. He goes through, he gets the coins. Then he's gonna run left. Then he's gonna move up 7, and then he's gonna move right 6. Actually, we should probably make him move 8. So then he actually reached that spot, and then after you do that, you want to put hero.move down. Right? We want him to move down, and then we're gonna put 2. And we should be able to actually reach the X and actually got a check mark. And go with success. So this is how you actually can get the coins without having to fight the actual bad guy, okay? Now, if you want to fight the bad guys, that's a different story. But this is the solution if you want just to get, 9 coins and just get to the X. This is the easiest way to do it. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for our next video. I'll see you in the next one. Later.